This is ChatgPT. I use it. I love it. Everyone loves it. But there is one problem. Nobody knows how ChatgPT works. Right now, this is what we call closed source. No one can get this model and nobody knows when it will be open. That's why I want to show you this. A group of scientists at the Technology Innovation Institute here in Abu Dhabi that built an AI that is entirely open source. It's called Falcon. It's the first large-scale AI model in the UAE, and it's one of the best in the world, trained on more than 1 trillion tokens.
The model is open source and free for the world to use.
Anyone can use it, researchers and entrepreneurs. Okay, I'm gonna try it out. How big is Greenland? And it says Greenland is approximately 2.1 million square kilometers. Falcon lets us share knowledge and build better AI.
AI is the next revolution. It has the power to transform and also unlock new possibilities we haven't even imagined.
Open source AI is going to change the world.